can't hold like car no more with the front seat, like back seat, you know. Like back seat more with the front seat hold like car, you know. Watch it, look car, watch it, look car, watch out, bumbo claw, watch out. Watch it. Move me hold like back seat for yourself, you know. Watch it, car can't move, car can't get a gear right now. Jesus Christ, the boss, I'm gonna sell a car and buy one truck.
Yeah.
So you sit down this one already?
Yeah, I'm paid to slow me as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm modest.
Happy though.
Boom.
Yeah, my next one I'll be able to.
Yeah.
I'm going to be able to buy a house,
Yeah.
yeah, my next one is in already. Big. Take my whole fast, man, because man, sometimes I try to go back forward, man.
Right up, left.
No, it's to the patches.
Yeah.
Space and my space not going to work out. So if they try to pass, they're going to lift me, so they're move it fast. All you think about
Accident. Alright.
The gear shift there. Yeah. I should ask if they pick up one on it. Yo, Jamaican, my youth. Jamaican now, man, please.